Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word glut in depth. First, the definition. Glut means an excessive supply or amount of something, often causing problems. Think of it simply as having way more than you need, like a cupboard stuffed with too many cans. Some people also use it to describe any overwhelming amount or surplus. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Glut traces back to the Latin word glutere, meaning to swallow excessively. Over time, it's been used by traders and economists to describe oversupply. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use glut in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The market experienced a glut of unsold cars that year, lowering prices drastically. Correct example 2. Farmers faced a glut of tomatoes after a record harvest. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to glut my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using glut correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Glut means an excessive supply or amount of something, often causing problems. It comes from the Latin word glutere, meaning to swallow excessively, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with glut down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.